Hi everybody, my name is Brad Hutchison. I'm in charge of product development here at Oregon Real Estate Forums. Sunday, our website will be down. What does that mean? So basically, you will still be able to access your forms on ZipForms or .loop or Redfin. All that means is if you are set to renew on Sunday, you will not be able to go to our site and renew your annual subscription to Oregon Real Estate Forums. Now come Monday, our new website will be live. First thing, you'll notice a facelift. A new improved look to the website. There's not a random stranger on the front page anymore. The colors are more in line with our brand and everything else. And it'll be easier to find where to renew your forms. When you go to our site and you renew, basically you'll just go to our shop page, you'll add, and then in the process of adding your forms, you will be asked for your Oregon Real Estate License Number. So what will happen is your account that is created with the system will be tied to your Oregon Real Estate License Number. And so when you go to external third parties that are licensed with Oregon Real Estate Forms, like ZipForms, .loop, and Redfin, you will be asked for that license number, and then you will be authenticated. So basically, you renew your forms on Oregon Real Estate Forms, and then whoever we're licensed with to host those forms, you'll have access to your library wherever you go. And it'll be a nice automated process. There won't be any more copy and pasting, complicated codes. It makes it really straightforward and easy to do. So that being said, we thank you all for your patience. Come Monday, we should be live and on all cylinders. We will have all staff in the phones, but in case you cannot get a hold of us, because we may be assisting other agents, please email us at customerservice@orifonline.com. Again, customerservice@orifonline.com. That will ensure that we get to every response in a timely manner, as the problem you are experiencing is most likely similar to another agent's, and we'll be able to really help you quickly virtually instead of on the phones. So that being said, thank you for your help, and we greatly appreciate your patience.